Hundreds of candidates are standing for a new National Assembly which will oversee the drafting of the Constitution. It's a complicated process taking place in difficult times, but in Tripoli at least there is overwhelming support. These elections have already been delayed once, and in some parts of the area there are calls for a boycott, because they argue the Assembly will be dominated by candidates in Tripoli, amid concerns that could be violent. The vote is going ahead. BBC News, Tripoli.
Police have arrested 7 men on suspicion of involvement in terrorist offences. All 7 are from the Midlands and the north of England. The police say the men were detained after a vehicle was routinely stopped on a motorway and found to contain firearms and other weapons.
Spark Hill in Birmingham, 3 of the suspects are from this area. This is the home of one of them. Like the others, he's being held on suspicion of the commission of preparation or instigation of acts of terrorism. This inquiry began last weekend, but details have only emerged today. On June the 30th, on the M1 in South Yorkshire, a car involved in a recent stop was found to be uninsured. Hidden inside, police discovered 2 unloaded firearms and a small amount of ammunition. Over the 3rd and 4th of July, there was a series of arrests in the West Midlands, mostly in Birmingham. A total of 6 men were detained. Then yesterday, another man was arrested at Kirklees in West Yorkshire. It was in the West Midlands yesterday there was a counter-terrorism alert which caused chaos on the M6 that turned into a false alarm. Passengers had to get off a coach after a vehicle was seen coming from a bag. It was found to be a fake cigarette being used by a passenger. Coincidentally, at the same time in London, 6 people have been taken into custody as terrorist suspects. Some lived close to the Olympic site. The Scotland Yard said the arrest was not a similar message today from West Midlands police, who have now been given more time to question their suspects.
2K reporting that. For more than half a century, Australian girl guides have pledged allegiance to God and Queen Elizabeth. It is about to change. From Master Reports now from Sydney.
Is that it? She's going back for more.